Welcome to part 18, 19, I lose count. Remember in the last one we were talking about this half of an exhaust system, and I thought it might be stainless. Now I'm even more sure this might be stainless. I'm removing the paint of it, and that doesn't look like steel to me because the steel is not corroded underneath. So just giving them a real good acid in, and I'm pretty certain now I'm looking at stainless steel here. Not 100% sure. Right, let's just keep going. I think I'm just going to put a bit of abrasive on that now, see if I can clean that up a bit more. This black stuff, it's not corrosion, it's paint. You can see that. I can scrape it off now with my nail. That acid's really attacked it. It's gone really soft, so it should just come off pretty easy. Let's see anyway. It's actually going to be a shame to put the belly pan on that. That has come up. Yeah, it's a very dull day today, but that has really come up. There's a real shine on there. It's really smooth. That's just with a few minutes with the polishing mop on it. Don't know. What do you think? Right, so we've got most of the black paint off it now, so it's just a matter of going over it with different degrees of mops and polish and stuff until we get it all out. There was some real burnt on, looked like tar or something that had been really burnt onto it in some places, and still remnants of it up here really, especially up near the headers where it's really hot headers. Okay, final test now to make sure this is stainless steel. I've got a magnet. Yep, mild steel is magnetic, stainless steel is not. That is not magnetic. It's definitely stainless. Whoopee! Right, I'm happy with that. I could spend a couple of more hours on it. I would still improve it a bit. But to be honest, if it's going under the belly pan, I'm just loath to spend hours and hours cleaning it. There's no point. Okay, looks like we've hit a slight problem, so I just thought I'd have a go at trying to assemble everything up. So I've got the gaskets, the silencer, the reasonable silencer, though it is in a very bad state. I've had a good go at cleaning it up. I think there's actually a massive hole in the side of it, which isn't great. That's not going to last, that patch. I'll JB weld it on, but can't see that lasting very long. So my patience is wearing thin with these silencers, and this is the good one. And this one's damaged to the top as well here. And guess what? Nothing's compatible. So these gaskets, which might not be Kawasaki GPZ500 gaskets, though they look the right size, don't fit the silencer, and they don't, sorry, the downpipe, and they don't fit the silencer. Plus the silencer doesn't fit without the gasket. So nothing's compatible. This isn't compatible with that, that's not compatible with anything. So I can struggle on here trying to make this work, or I can get 300 quid out and buy a set of Delvic silencers that'll go with that Delvic downpipe set, and I'll have a nice set of exhausts, which I'm probably going to end up doing anyway, because I can't see these silencers really making it now. Anyway, I think this is the last video for the bit. We've got a lot on now with other bikes and stuff. Summer's here and it's time to do other stuff. Plus the garage is destroyed, so we need a bit of a stop and a stock take. So it'll be a bit of a gap now till the next video. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one, whenever that is.